Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So here we have did the concept, right? So let's try to add some data. So quantity 2 and we will try to do items. Okay, and here also I will add some quantities. This time I will add 9 and $5. Okay, and here also I will add some other values, something like which I can say tomatoes. We have seen it, right? Tomatoes. And the quantity also I will take it as 9 and which is about $8. The price is increased in India, right? So that is the reason. Now I think the price decreased, I think, at the time of this recording. So now we are able to see these all values. So this design is not looking somewhat nice, right? So let's try to do some enhancement in the design. So for this one, let's try to give equal spaces for these all items. So for this item, okay, item greater than div for each element, and I will give equal space flex 1. So let's try to see. Yeah, okay, so these are somewhat fine, and we will make it as a text align center. Sorry, text align center. I think everything will be fine. Yeah, this looks somewhat pretty nice, and we'll give some margin also, margin of 0.5 rem comma 0. Let's see how it will look like. Fine, and we will give odd what I can say is odd rows some color. I can check the item which is nth child. Oh, what is this I am writing? Nth child of even. You'll take the even value or odd value also, you can take it, anything. Background color, I want to apply a background color hash BBB. Fine, right? Yeah, it's looking somewhat fine. Nice. So let's leave it like this only. Now we need to implement the delete symbol. So let's go here, items list, and not items list, in the single item. Here in this single item I am adding another div. So I will use a X symbol here. So all the values will get a X symbol here, and I will add something like class is equal to close icon, and in the app.css for the item, which is having for the inside the item close. So I will reduce the flex to 0.3 so that it will become reduced somewhat, and I will increase the font size to somewhat around 2 rem. Okay, it's very rude, it is 1.5 rem. Fine, and I will make it bold, font weight bold. Okay, these are all spelling mistakes I am writing. I don't know why I am writing here. Font weight. Okay, so font weight bold. Let's leave it like this, and I will add a cursor also, cursor of pointer. So now we are able to get this value. So whenever I try to delete this, click on this one, this entire row should be deleted. So that means from the items it should be deleted. Okay, let's go to the items list. Here, not items, a single item, and here on click. Okay, on click I need to delete this item. So fine. So how we can delete this item? So this we are, remember that these all items are present in our parent component, that is nothing but app.js. So here we need to write a delete item. So let's try to write the item here, function, the function delete item of id. You will get the item id, and here we need to reset the so set items. We need to set the items. You will get each items, and in this one you need to loop over items dot filter. So you need to loop over each item. Okay, and you need to get item dot id is not equal to id. That's it. Okay, so here this is the method we need to use it. So now whichever the item, delete item, and this delete item we need to pass it to here. Delete item is equal to delete item. Okay, and this method I am passing into the items list, and in return this items list. So here you will be getting a delete item, but this method will not be used by this item list. So again you need to pass it to this single item. Okay, so delete item is equal to delete item. I am passing it again, and this delete item needs to be and needs to go into the single item.js file, and here, where is the single item.js file? Single item only, right? No, in this items list only. Single item we have passed it. So where is this close symbol? Where I have written this close symbol? Gone or what? I have removed it or what? Let's try to, yeah, I have removed it, I think. So fine. So here we got this delete item as a props. See, this is the method. Okay. And here on click of this item, I need to call the delete item. That's it. So now if you try to see the code for this one, okay. So now what is this one? Invalid DOM property class name. Okay, somewhere we have used it. Class name. Fine, everything looks fine, I think. So fine, I will add some random values this time. Okay. So fine. So total price is 257 value, and here I will click on this one. So when I click on this one, so your item is not getting deleted. So why it is not getting deleted here is, so the delete item, what it is expecting in the app.js, it is expecting an ID in the app.js. Okay, this is expecting an ID. So somehow we need to pass the ID from the single item. So this will be carry forwarded automatically from this item list also, it will be carry forwarded. So here what we can do, so here you can call something like, we have a delete item and you have an ID. So you can pass item.id here directly. That's it. So now if you try to, everything is gone. So if I click on this middle item, see, automatically it got deleted and also the price also got decreased. If I click on this one, see, the price also got decreased and the item also got deleted. And if I try to write like this, and if I click on this add item, so we are having this item, right? If I click on this one, so this also got deleted. So this is how we will be implementing the delete item. So what we have did it, so here we have implemented a function delete item. So we are looping over each item here and we are removing the item which the ID has been sent. And we need to pass this function as a prop to the items list, where in this item list as a child component it is existing. So here in this items list we are passing as a prop, and here we are not using this delete item, and again we need to pass it as a props to the single item. So we are drilling down the props. Okay, and here in the single item, so here we are taking it as a props and we are making use of this props here. So this is how we will be deleting the item. And the last concept what is remained is the footer thing. So we will try to complete that footer also. So we'll try to do it, that one also. In the next video we'll try to do it. So this is how we will be implementing the delete option. Hope you understood about this concept, and if you have any doubts, so let me know in the comments and I will create a new branch, this one video-28 and deleting an item. Okay, so here I am committing this code and I will publish this branch also. So whoever may be having doubts or anything, so this is my GitHub repository URL. So whoever may be having doubts, so you can publish, you can check the particular branch, whichever the branch you are trying to watch it, and you can refer the code. Hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.